Hi students, I hope all are fine. So we had been learning about bit of grammar part, and today what we will learn is about adjectives. So about adjectives, I know you are already aware of what is an adjective. Adjective is a part of speech which qualifies a noun. Okay, which qualifies nouns, isn't it? So you are very much aware of it. So now what we are going to see is about multiple adjectives which will be coming in sentences. Okay, before that we need to find out which are the adjectives and which are the types of adjectives. So there are certain sentences given here in this. There are 8 sentences. Okay, so here if you see, you can find out adjectives can show quality, quantity and number. They can be demonstrative, possessive, distributive, interrogative, emphatic and exclamatory. Okay, adjectives can show quality, quantity and number. They can be demonstrative, possessive, distributive, interrogative, emphatic and exclamatory. Okay, these are the types. Okay, these are the types. So here first we need to find out which are the adjectives in this sentence, in these sentences. Okay, the first one maybe I'll do it for you. Other things you just go through and find out which are the adjectives, and if you find it difficult with regard to the types of the adjectives, we will do that maybe in the live session. Okay, at least you can find out which are the adjectives. Okay, and the types if you find out, well and good, but if you are unable to find it out, we shall see that in the live session. Okay, the first one I'll do it for you. First one, I am sorry, it was my own fault. Okay, I am sorry, it was my own fault. So the first sentence what we can see is there are two adjectives in this particular sentence. First one is sorry and second one own. Okay, so here we have certain types as demonstrative, possessive, quality, quantity, number, distributive, emphatic, exclamatory or interrogative. Okay, we have so many types of adjectives. So sorry, as you know, it is a quality. So the type of this particular adjective sorry is quality. Then the second one own. Okay, it is my own pen, means to say that own is used as a possessive, isn't it? It's a type that the type of adjective own is possessive. So own is possessive, you have to say that, own, possessive. Then isn't your brother in the 10th grade? So here also in the second sentence also we have two adjectives. First is your, the type would be possessive, your, isn't it? Your. Then 10th, as you know, it's a number, so the type of this adjective is 10th. So there are two adjectives in the second sentence also. Isn't your brother in the 10th grade? Your is an adjective and also 10th is an adjective. Your means possessive, 10th means number. Okay, likewise just go through the other sentences and find out which are the adjectives, and if you are able to find out the types, well and good, or else no problem, we will see that in the live session. Then here this one, what you need to do is you need to fill these blanks with suitable adjective. You will be able to do it because you have already done this before. Okay, the first one is we have dash time to visit both the places. Okay, you can use most suitable one or more appropriate ones as you wish. We have dash time to visit the places. So you can say visit both the places. You can say we have no time, no can be an adjective, and also it can also be an adverb, isn't it? You are aware of it. So no time, you can write maybe here no time. Likewise, the other things also, there are dash wildlife sanctuaries in India, you can use beautiful, there are wonderful, like that. Or okay, there are so many adjectives you can use it, like beautiful, wonderful, all those are adjectives, so you can use it. Likewise, just go through other sentences and also prepare that. Okay, this booklet talks about Project Tiger in dash detail. Then snow leopards are seen in only dash northern states. Okay, then you will find dash rare species of birds in this sanctuary. Sixth one, quick, take out the camera or you won't get dash good pictures. Okay, so those are the sentences, and you fill it up with suitable adjectives. You are already aware of it, that's why I'm not going into it. You have already done this before. Okay, next is this, that when we use, this is about, okay, as in maths you keep a box, and for the formulas you keep a box and write it, right? So likewise, this should be put in a box, and it should be written like that. Then when we use more than one adjective to describe a noun, the adjectives are placed in the following order. Okay, first one, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. Okay, these are the order in which adjectives are placed in multiple, if there are multiple adjectives in a sentence. Okay, first one, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. Okay, see, one example is given here. I have bought a small vintage red multi-purpose vehicle. Okay, I have bought a small vintage red multi-purpose vehicle. Okay, I have bought, okay, leave it, small, what, small, size, so it comes first, size. Vintage, vintage red, it's a color. Okay, then multi-purpose. Okay, multi-purpose, it's a multi-purpose vehicle, multi-purpose. Okay, it's about the material. Okay, it's about this material, it is a vehicle. Okay, multi-purpose material. So you see the uh, the the order in which it is placed. Likewise, you have certain words here. Okay, some sets of adjectives are given below, arrange them in their proper order. Okay, that is for us to do. Okay, there are certain adjectives given, blue, fishing, bored, old. So as per the order we have to arrange. This is the order and we need to arrange it like that. And blue, fishing, bored, old, which one comes first? Here we have blue is a color, fishing is a purpose, isn't it? Then boat is a material, or fishing, then old is age. Okay, let us see. Okay, first one we have a, oh, size is here. Okay, then age, we have that word called old, isn't it? Here, see, we have old, so it is given old blue fishing boat, old blue fishing boat. Boat is a material, isn't it? Then old comes first, old is age, isn't it? Age is considered as old. Then we have a color, that is blue. Okay, we have color, that is blue. Then we have a fishing boat, fishing boat is a material. All right, and fishing is is also can be considered as a purpose, isn't it? So likewise we need to find out these. There are eight we cannot call it as sentences. We have eight options given, okay, like there are different adjectives, so you need to arrange them appropriately like this. Okay, so first one, maybe I'll do it for you. Old car, red, ugly, spores. Okay, old car, red, ugly, spores. All right, first one, here we have old is there, red is there, ugly is there, then spores, car. So what can we do it? So we need to find out which comes first by going through this. Okay, write down those words and find out. So here what will come is ugly old red sports car. Okay, ugly old red sports car. Ugly, it's a kind of opinion given. Old, age, red, color, then material, sports car. Okay, car is a material. All right, so that is a ugly old red sports car. That's a proper one. Okay, so you have to write all these in the proper order. If you are finding it difficult, it's okay, no problem. I'll make it bit more clearer in the live session. So here we have both adjectives and adverbs. So there are some usages of adjectives and adverbs. Some adverbs and adjectives have the same form. He likes fast cars. So here fast is used as a adjective. So it describes a noun. Then he drove fast on the highway. Here this fast is considered as a adverb. Okay, means to say it modifies. Here the fast modifies the verb. He drove fast. Okay, he drove fast. But here it's an adjective. It qualifies or it describes this car, that is a noun. Okay, so that is the usage. So here identify whether the highlighted words are adjectives or adverbs. Write AJ for adjectives and AV for adverbs. Okay, first one, preparing for an exam is hard work. Preparing for an exam is hard work. So here hard, what is it? Is it an adjective or an adverb? So here first one, it is an adjective. It is hard work. It's an adjective. Then they rise quite early in the morning. They rise quite early in the morning. So what is it? Is it an adjective or an adverb? Then we should be just and kind in our actions. So see, just is an adjective or an adverb. Then he took care not to walk too far from me. Okay, and far is either adjective or adverb. If you after going through this sentence, you need to find out whether it is an adjective or an adverb. Then fifth and sixth one, just read it by yourself because we are running a lot running short of time. So we have next one is a worksheet. Okay, so now that you are aware of adjectives and adverbs, that's why I did not go much into it because I have already taught you. So write 5 sentences using adjectives and also 5 sentences for for adverbs. Okay, so use adjectives and adverbs in sentences. Okay, and write 5 sentences each. All right, so I hope today's class is clear for you. Thanks to everybody and